You know that moment when you check your bank account, and instead of panicking, you actually feel calm? That feeling has a price, and it's NOT $1 million. Most people think you need to be rich to feel financially secure. 6 figures, $1 million, some big, unrealistic number. But that's not how it works. There's a much smaller number that completely changes how you think, act, and live with money. That number is $20,000. Wealth isn't built slowly in a straight line. It happens in jumps, invisible levels where everything changes, and $20K is the first major level. Before it, life feels stressful. After it, things start working for you. When you have little or no savings, your brain is in survival mode. 1, you accept bad jobs. 2, you avoid risks. 3, you live paycheck to paycheck. 4, every expense feels stressful. You're not thinking about growth. You're thinking about survival. But once you hit around $20,000, something powerful happens. You gain breathing room, confidence, control. Now your brain shifts to 1, how do I grow this? Instead of 2, how do I survive this month? Let's keep it simple. $1,000 invested right arrow, small returns. $20,000 invested right arrow, meaningful returns. Same effort, same strategy, completely different results at 8% return. $2K, right $160/year. $20K, $1, $600/year. Now your money is actually doing something. Saving $20K isn't just about money. It proves something deeper. 1, you are disciplined. 2, you can delay gratification. 3, you control your finances. That identity is what builds wealth long-term. Before $20K, problems feel like disasters. After $20K, problems feel manageable. Opportunities become visible. You can invest, take risks, say no to bad situations. This is where life changes. This is underrated. $20K gives you something powerful. 1, walking away power. You're no longer desperate. Now you can ask for a raise, leave toxic jobs, take better opportunities. And when you act confident, you get treated differently. Most people hit $20K, then destroy it. New car, expensive trip, lifestyle upgrade. Big mistake. That $20K is not a reward. It's your foundation. Before, can I afford this monthly payment? After, what is this costing my future? That shift alone can save you lakhs or thousands of dollars. $20,000 won't make you rich, but it will change how you think, change how you act, change your entire financial future. It's the line between 1, stress and stability, 2, surviving and growing. Start building it now, because your future self is depending on what you do next.